Hey there, welcome back to the Northwind Homestead. We're doing a little bit of spring cleaning today. Gonna pop these hives open real quick. It's about 50 degrees. April, I think today's the 24th or 25th. We're gonna pop these girls open, do a quick egg check, slam them back together, and then we've got the box that we just got from the hive we gave to Alaskan Honey Grove. We have boxes with a bunch of stores in them, so I was going to throw those underneath and give them a little bit something extra to eat, and then that's it. The breeze is starting to come up, so we kind of want to get this done pretty quick. So we came out a little bit earlier and did some washing on the bench, and now we're getting ready to move this hive over. All right, here we go. So the first thing that's going to happen, Hive 2 is going to be the new Hive 3. And so we'll move them over. Hive 2 is going to be my split hive. So the easiest thing is just to plop 2 right on the 3 and become the new 3. Yeah, they are just not drinking any of their sugar. Lots of dead bees on there. Lots of sugar. Be interesting to look inside this hive and see what's going on. Still got tons of stores in there. There's our queen. Oh, that's Queen 4. That's Anne Boleyn. Or that's Jane Beemore. Oh boy, I thought she was in 1. Okay, she's in here. All right. No sign of eggs yet, though. Not very many bees in this hive. Curious what she's got going on down below. And not a lot happening here either. Mold. Not a lot of bees. So it'll be interesting to see if Jane Beemore can pull it off here. Oh, we're Queenright. We've got larvae, we've got eggs. We're Queenright. Well, that was not at all what I expected to do today. This hive is doing great. They're Queenright. Just super happy. Saw the larva, saw the eggs, stopped looking, and just closed her up. I did not add an extra box onto her because there's a ton of stores already in there, so they've got plenty. And I want them to start laying in some of those empty cells and not necessarily packing sugar into it. So I also reduced down their sugar water down to from a half gallon to a quart. On this hive, she's not looking so hot. She has a lot less bees than I thought she did. And this is our queen that we bought last year, though it came up from California. This is the queen that we made. So what I did on this one is I actually took a box off of her, so she has a little bit less. They have less space to heat in there, and maybe the amount of bees that she does have can get this up to temperature. So the big debate right now is what to do with this hive. Do we order another package, put it into the third hive, assuming that this one is not going to make it, or do we give her a fighting chance? I wish I could just shake some bees into there. Maybe I could shake a frame or two from this one into here, but not quite sure how they would react to this queen. So that's the big dilemma right now. And I'm going to consult with some of my folks and we'll see what we can do to remedy this one. All right. Well, whew, exciting. Beekeeping in Alaska. And we shall see how this goes. Keep tuning in, subscribe. What are we at? We're at 44 more people to 1,000. Come on, you can be one of them. Click that button. And that's about all I got. So be well.